Okay, so number 7, guys, says this. This one's a bit of a different take on it. We're not expanding to find the final polynomial, but you're asked to find the 6th term of this expansion, the 6th term. So you don't have to list all of them. You just have to list the 6th one and simplify it. So there are some shortcuts, right? So let's do our combination formula for the coefficient. We're going to start with 9. Now the first term will be 9 to the 0. So what's the second term is going to be 9 to the 1. The third term is 9 to the 2. So the 6th term is 9 to the 5. Good. Okay, so that's good. The first term will be a to the 9. Then we've got a to the, girls, a to the 8, 7, 6, 5, a to the, because that's the 6th term. Everybody getting that? B, okay, so that's going to be b to the 0 for the first term. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So b to the 5.
You said yesterday that the two numbers always add up to the
That's right.
number, right?
The two numbers have to add up to the number. So they do. Yeah. If you know one's 4, the other one has to be 5. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So what's 9? Choose 5 or 9C5 there. What's that on your calculator? You can look at your Pascal's triangle there too, I guess.
126.
So the answer to A is going to be 126, a to the 4, b to the 5. Look good?
That's fun.
Yeah? All right. We'll do one more of those, but let me just,
Yeah, because it needs to be the size of numbers.
okay, yeah, not much more help we can get. Here's a binomial theorem again, but we'll just have to piece this one at a time. All right, let's do C. Let's do C. C, the 7th term in this one. Okay. So we're going to have 14 because that's n. 14, choose what? The 7th term. Okay. The first term is 0. So this number is 1 less than the term. You're right. So 7th term would be 14, choose 6. Everybody get that? Count, use your fingers if you need to. No big deal. Yeah. Okay. Now I've got 1 to the power of what? So the 7th term, that's going to be 7 and working down. Or sorry, it's going to be 14 working down 1 each time. So 14 is the first term. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. Yeah, yeah, you could do 14 minus 6. There's all sorts of little different patterns you can come up with, you bet. And then watch this careful though. This has to be negative 2t here for the second one. And this number does have to add up to 14. So you could go from 0 up to 7, but it's going to be 6, right? 8 plus 6 is 14. So yeah. So simplified, what's 14? Choose 6. Your calculator will be different than mine maybe, but I'd have to do 14, then I have to go to math, and then over to probability, and then here NCR here. 14, choose, what did I say, 6? 3003. It's a good thing we'd have to make this many rows of the triangle, right? 3003. Times 1 to the power of 8 is just 1, so we have to worry about that. What's negative 2 to the power of 6? Should be positive because it's even, exponent, and 2 to the power of, you should know what those 2 to the powers of, up to 5 for sure. Like 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 5 is 32, so 6 would be 64, and then t to the 6. So 3003 times 64 is a big number. 192, 192, wow. All right, is that confirmed? Let's check that. Okay, those are both correct, 7A and C there. Any other questions about this one?